Hello everybody, hello everyone, hello everybody, let's sign and have some fun. Now it's time for signing, for singing and for play. We'll all have fun together at Tiny Talk today. Yay! Clever boy! Harrison, can you do bird? Bird? Bird. Yes, good boy. Can you do tree? Tree. Yes. Can you do aeroplane? Aeroplane. Aeroplane. Clever boy. Can you do car? Car. Can you do car? Hello. You can't do car if you're leaning on me, can you? Oh no. Can you do dog? Can you do dog? Clever boy. Yes, dog. Can you do duck? Duck. That's clever. Can you do light? Light. Harrison, can you do light? Light.